Hi everybody, doing another quick AR-15 magazine unboxing video. It's the middle of April, you can still get magazines. People are just buying them up. That's why they're so hard to find, but if you pay attention to some reputable online retailers, you can find magazines when they get them in. The problem is they usually sell out in probably 15 to 20 minutes, so that sucks. But anyways, I was able to get my hands on, I just ordered 3. I have no experience with these before, but I've heard good things. These are the Lancer L5 magazines. I got the translucent. I don't know why you wouldn't. But let's take a quick look. Feels pretty good, feels sturdy. It's got the metal steel feed lips. Definitely no tilt in there. I've read a lot of good stuff about these, so these should be pretty good. But they're 20 bucks a piece. They're more expensive than even Pmags. They're probably just as good as Pmags, possibly, maybe not even. I haven't ran it over with a Humvee myself, but for most people they're going to be just fine. I just got 3 just to give them a try, but at 20 bucks it's not really worth buying too many of them, especially if you've never used them before. But this is the big deal right here. I can hardly believe that I was actually able to, just in the nick of time, place an order. AIM Surplus came in the clutch. So Magpul is making magazines, definitely, but people are buying them up as soon as they put them out there. But I was able to get probably the rarest magazine known to man at the moment. I bought the limit that was allowed, which was 10. Probably like most people did, but these are the elusive Generation 3 Windowed Pmags. It's beautiful. Let's take a look. They come with dust covers. That's good. Hopefully they fit on a Generation 2. They probably do. They look the same to me. But here's the Generation 3. Got all the stippling, extra ridges. So it's unbelievably sturdy. More than the Lancer or Troy Battle Mags. Still got the indicator. They were going for 18 bucks a piece, which is a little bit more expensive even for a Pmag, but they're brand new. They're impossible to find. If you can find some Generation 3 Windowed Pmags, good luck to you. But I got my stash. Hopefully you can find yours too. So there'll be a review to come of these eventually. Alright, everybody, take it easy. Thanks for watching.